Key point 5. Schedule your priorities and seek outcomes that will be beneficial to everyone. There are so many things that jostle for our attention. If you don't take care, you will sacrifice the things that matter for items that are not important but appear to need our urgent attention. Time management strategies that many of us apply often make us prioritize our existing schedule. This approach breeds efficiency rather than effectiveness. Spend your time on achieving priorities rather than scheduling them. Based on urgency and importance, all your activities fall into 4 categories. Urgent things that are also important. Important things that are not urgent. Urgent things that are not important. Items that are neither important nor urgent. The most important is the second category. It contains things that determine how our lives turn out in the end. Working in this direction, we will find that the urgent things in our lives will decrease. However, we need to identify activities that fall into this category first. Then, we learn to allocate time to them intentionally. Interactions with other people manifest our interconnectedness. In most situations, we try to have the edge over others when dealing with them. We think that someone else has to lose for us to win, but this is a wrong paradigm because 2 people with a win-lose approach might end up with a lose-lose outcome. There is usually enough for everyone's needs, but not for everyone's greed. When we think win-win, we create positive relationships that will be highly rewarding in the long run. Make sure everyone leaves the negotiating table satisfied, even if the outcome is no deal. As long as the conditions satisfy both sides, there is no need to manipulate or pressure the other person. If that's the case, it is a lose-lose situation for both. After all, not everyone feels great after bearing someone down. To have a win-win mentality, we need to become sensitive and patient. These qualities will create an atmosphere of mutual trust, beneficial to everyone. More than this, we can apply a win-win mentality to our relationships beyond business transactions. For example, what can we do to achieve a win-win situation in relationships with our spouses, children, parents, or colleagues? Talk to them about trying out the new agreement. Take action.